Welcome to 2651 429 Avenue, Langley, BC. This home offers 7 bedroom, 5 bathroom with over 3200 square feet of living space. The exterior features the sleek combination of glass, fiber cement board, divide frontage and the double car garage provide the ample parking, while this spacious lot ensures the plenty of outdoor space. This home is listed by Vijay Sharma from Century 21. And big shout out to them. Now step inside and take a look and see what this home has to offer us. Stepping inside, you are greeted with this expansive living area with an electric fireplace on my right, perfect for the cozy evenings. Right next to the entrance, there is a beautifully designed powder room with a black and golden theme, adding luxury to the house. Just beyond the powder room, here comes the only bedroom on the main floor. This versatile space can be used as a guest room or it can be transformed as an office. It comes with a closet as well. The open layout seamlessly connects the living area with the dining area, creating the bright and inviting atmosphere. This open kitchen is a statement piece, featuring black countertops, beautifully contrasting the beige and black cabinet. Best thing I'm gonna show you now. Those who love to cook, there's a closed kitchen as well for them. Equipped with the 2-door Samsung refrigerator, offering extra prep space and privacy. Right next, you will find a storage area which directly connects to the garage, furnace. Heading upstairs, you will find thoughtfully designed layout with 4 spacious bedrooms, each filled with natural light and designed for both comfort and functionality. Starting off with the master suite, I am definitely sure you will be stunned after watching this tour. This primary bedroom is a spacious retreat with a minimalist design, offering plenty of natural light with the large windows. It features the private bathroom with a unique design, high-end finishes, a bathtub, and a walk-in shower. In addition to it, we have this generous walk-in closet with ample of storage, adding luxury to the property. I hope you like the master suite. Now let me take you to the second bedroom. This second bedroom has its own private washroom, making it ideal private space for the guests or for an older family member. Before heading to the third and fourth bedroom, take a look at laundry room right here. Third and fourth bedroom is beautifully designed with the spacious layouts and the abundance of natural light. Both the rooms have the common washroom by which both rooms are connected. This setup is perfect for kids or siblings, providing semi-private yet connected space. That wraps up our tour of this beautiful brand new house. A private showing including the 2-bedroom basement suite is available on request. Feel free to reach out to me if you want to book a private showing of this property or you have any other questions. I'm Ekamjot Singh, a Vancouver and Fraser Valley realtor. Thank you for watching.